keto diet has become very popular. Ketosis is something gets triggered when your body is dependent upon your on fat burning instead of carbohydrate burning. So that gives rise to ketosis, or that's when you need a keto diet. Keto diet essentially means your body starts burning fat for energy, and when the fat burning starts in your body, obviously you start losing weight. So are you ready for a keto diet? That is the question. Simply because somebody else has started a keto diet and lost some weight does not mean that you're also ready for that. So things you must know and do before you start a keto diet, that's what we are going to discuss on this video today. You need to prepare yourself for keto diet, and if you're not ready, then obviously you should not go for it. You may not be suitable for keto diet, so in that case you should not go for keto diet. So what are those things that you must understand? First of all, ketogenic diet means you will have to be dependent upon fat, and if you're a carb lover, if you're a protein lover, then it may not be suitable for you. You must know that fat, carb, you must understand the balance between fat, carb, and protein. These are the most important things. And for protein lovers, it may be a difficult journey. Fat lovers may understand, okay, this is good news for them, because this depends a lot on fat. You need to burn fat, you need to eat fat, and you have to consume only up to 5% of carbs. You should understand the principle behind it, like beans. Beans are high on protein, okay, but they may also be high on carb. So you have to cut down on carbs. So beans should be eaten in moderation. Here, moderation is the key. So you should develop some knowledge about, you should study a lot about different types of protein and carb-based foods. And moderate protein intake is the key. Apart from that, you need to develop some cooking skills, because your dieting habits may not be suitable for all family members, so you may have to prepare your own food. You can become a chef. You have to become a kind of chef, not chef just for yourself, for your health. You need to learn how to make your keto recipes, and for that you may have to buy and read various types of cookbooks. Vegan keto, it gives 60 plus high fat plant based recipes if you're vegan. Other cookbooks like keto for carb lovers, obviously those who are obese or overweight or carb lovers. So there are a variety of options available on the internet. I'm not talking about just this book. There can be different types of cookbooks. Then comes dairy-free keto cookbooks. It again depends on you. You can find various options on Amazon, and other online shopping sites. The bottom line is you need to prepare yourself, okay, for new diets as well as side effects. Yes, I said side effects. Keto diet is not free from side effects, and initially you may have to face some side effects such as keto flu. It's a kind of a mild fever, and you will notice this. You should be prepared for that. Most people who go for keto face this keto flu. Then comes lethargy. You may feel lethargic initially, and other side effects like constipation, diarrhea. Diarrhea can make you very uncomfortable, and obviously it may interfere your daily routine. So these are some of the side effects you must prepare yourself for before you start for keto diet. And last but not the least, remember that this is a short-term diet. You cannot continue with keto diet for long. So if you think you are ready for all these things, then I have given a link in the description. You can get one of the most popular and most effective keto diet plan available on the net. So that's all today for this video today. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you're ready for Keto Diet before you click the buy button in the description. Thank you.